All right. So here we are at La Bufadora in Ensenada, near Ensenada. According to our guide, it's still in Ensenada. Let's go out here. Here it comes. Oh, that was a little one. That chirping is a squirrel or chipmunk, and you must be scared. There it is. All right, did you like that? What?
The next one should be.
You think? Come on. Janet says you're going to get a bigger one, so I'm going to wait it out. Go. I would not call that bigger. So let's walk. We're just going to walk and let you see the vendors selling stuff. A sword.
I want to take a picture of that sign.
Oh man. A banana.
Excuse me, sorry.
Live the experience. This is the famous Ensenada sign. Ensenada. This is the guy that takes your picture for you. Shells. Still recording. The bell guy. Janet. I said, Janet. There you go. Some music that, oh, it's just a guy playing it. So I guess I don't have to worry about talking over it. Pan flute. Remember the Peruvian flute band in Barcelona? Well, he's a one-man band. Peace. This is quite extensive now. Quite extensive.
Hey guys, are you ready for the clams? You want the clams?
No, thank you.
Okay, have a good day, sir.
If you want clams, go to this guy. These places sell like clams in all different ways. Here, let's get closer. And shrimp and lobster, I guess. See that? Those are clams. Fish tacos over there. Statuary, probably made in China.
I need your money so I can buy me a GoPro camera too. Come on, take it.
Have somebody give it to you for your birthday. Or Father's Day.
Did you just buy that here?
No. No.
Here, take a look. Just
Okay,
look.
I looked. Thank you. Thank you very much. That says bathrooms down there. But Havana Banana will let you use their bathrooms.
Amigos, this is the right place.
No, this is the right place, guys. Hello, how are you? Well, can you see what I have in my shop? Mexican seafood.
If every place is the right place, that means none of them are, right? I mean, if everyone's a winner, who are the losers? Anyway. Don't look now, but there's wieners hanging there. Okay. I don't know what that place is, but they got whale bones out there. And they've got the Last Supper, but it looks a little weird.
You like it? I give you the price, sir. Handmade painted.
Look, these little ants. Ants.
Look at his backpack.
Ah. So, I'm going to say it right now. we've walked a quarter of a mile, and this is at least another quarter of a mile of the same thing. The same thing, the same thing. So, pick your spot, make your deal. That's all I can say. Crystals. Candy, bakery. No thanks. Lots of free samples, including tequila along the way. Especially when we came down. It's a lot emptier now than when we walked down. When we walked down, this place was wall-to-wall people.
Hey, honeymooners.
Yep.
Here, give me a chance to rip you up over here too.
Anyway, so you can see it goes all the way up there. I'm going to stop now. Glass blowers, or glass shapers anyway. I don't know that he blows. Glass. Corn. Street corn. Best tacos in town. Of course, we're going to a different place to get tacos that maybe aren't the best in town. I don't know. They're the ones included in our tour though. And it's still a ways up here. So from La Bufadora, near Ensenada, Mexico. This is Gareth.
And Janet
Saying,
Port Monkeys out.
we'll see you in the next port. Bye.
Bye.